Hey everyone! We've just released an amazing Chrome extension that automatically follows users on Instagram to help you grow your audience and increase engagement. And honestly, this tool outperforms every other extension out there. You're going to love how smooth and powerful it is. To download the extension, just go to Google and type IG Follow AI. It should be the first result you see. After opening the link, click the Add to Chrome button in the top right corner and complete the installation. After the installation is complete, pin the extension from the top right corner and click on its icon. Here, you can quickly sign up using your Google account, literally with just one click. In the Target Users section, enter the username of the person whose followers or following list you want to follow. And remember, before filling in these fields, make sure your Instagram account is already logged in on your browser. After filling in the required fields, the system will automatically load the follow list for you. While it's doing that, you can just sit back and enjoy your coffee. By clicking the Options button, you can apply filters to the list, such as gender and other advanced filters. Then, simply click Start, and the system will begin following users based on the filters you selected. You can just sit back, relax, and watch it work while enjoying your coffee. Since I selected female only, the system automatically skips male accounts. And that's how our extension works. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using it.